Let me put up 100%. Hey guys, Mike here. Today we're gonna talk about some Bluetooth speaker. Off topic is nothing car audio, but this is relative for music. Today we're gonna talk about the nice Bluetooth speaker. Before I do, the music test, all the running on the maximum power bass test. Let's see what is in the box. So this is IP67 rated speaker. It can swim next to you in the pool, actually in the water. So this is I don't know why they designed it, and also you can run on the water, all that stuff, like under the rain. So this speaker is like made legit, right? Reason why I'm creating this video, I was happy with my purchase, spend the money that much, $150 now on the sale. I put the links on description for the best price, so you can enjoy your purchase. Reason why I'm doing this video, actually I like the sound performance than other my speakers. For example, I bought these speakers also when it was a brand new. This is Sony speaker. This actually sound quality, it's better than most JBL for the same price, right? And also this one is a brand new model. It's for $150, right? Now it's like a JBL type passive radiators. I'm gonna create another video for this guy, but this is $150 also, and this is huge box, also $150. And that's why I decided to just share with my experience how the speakers will perform, how's the sound performance, all that stuff, right? It has a Bluetooth up to 100 feet. It's more than enough to play around the speaker, listen, and then play the music. Nice lighting system, like a disco type. If you want the lighting system at the night, of course you can use it. It's the RGB light. Also, you have USB output to charge your phone. Of course, the battery inside is big, so you can charge when the battery is running out, and you can charge it up. So you can pair the multiple speakers if you have a multiple speakers. Also, of course, the Sony just canceled all the older models. You cannot pair together, but these guys, like, it's made you can pair together in other speakers, like older versions, if it's capable. What else? The 50 watts, two drivers. Actually, the drivers is very nice, and the two 6-inch passive radiators creates really nice bass. Let's start talking. And up to 20 hours the play time. Actually, I was running this speaker whole day, like 100% volume, 50%, 20%, and it lasts me like whole day to listen nice music. So on the box, you're gonna get some stickers, welcome notes, all that stuff. You have a charger brick. Is different than regular ones. You see, like the laptop charger bricks, and actually it said 18 volts, 2,500 milliamp battery time. Right? Let's take this, and this is the speaker itself. Boom. So this is the two drivers on the front. And of course, you have a 1-inch tweeter on the corner. Maybe it's a 3/4 tweeter. I don't remember. I don't know exactly what the size is. If you can see, two corners and the drivers. The size-wise is really nice. And this is the bottom part. You have a nice, rubber. And there's some serial numbers, all that stuff. And you have upside down. You can put this way. You can put that way, whatever way you want to use it, you can put it, and it will be perfect, right? So let's turn on this bad boy and run some quick music test. All right, on top you have a
powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing.
Right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn on the Bluetooth so it can connect right away. It's really easy. The Bluetooth 5.0. Actually, you're not gonna hear difference on this kind of the units 4.0 or the 5.0. So it is what it is. So you have a pairing on the button. You have a volume up, down. Also next song, previous song, like depending, double click. This is the lighting. See it? And OK Google or Siri, whatever you want to use, just click the microphone and it's gonna be, the sounds. So this is the passive radiators on the back. I hope you guys can see that. And this is the lights all over the place. Actually, this two arm has the lights, but this one doesn't have a light. So this is the lower part. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put right here and start playing some music. This is like kind of unboxing the video. I'm gonna take this speaker to outside. Well, of course I'm gonna take to the pool and we'll see how it will perform outside. Here's like we have a nice recording systems, so the sound quality of course is gonna be really nice. For $150, I always, if I like something, and not the sales pitch, I hate the sales pitch, I hate, you know, advertising crap, but the things I like it. For example, this guy is also $150, guys. The Sony, the sound performance also is like better than JBL's, like at the same price, JBL same label, right? The Sony, it's always cleaner and nicer details on the sound. You can buy this one and just skip, you know, the model years, all that stuff. So let's play this guy. 50% volume. You can hear right away the bass. It's like, it's bassy box, right? Let's pull up the volume up. About 70%. After 50% of volume, it's gonna be like, actually it opens up. Before like a 50%, before the 50%, like you don't feel like big sound change, but after 50-60%, 80% volume. Put up 100%.
Are you hearing my words I'm saying to you? 'Cause I'm looking in your eyes, you're looking past mine, and I'm just trying to break the cycle. Why are you staring at the door?
All of this.
Guys, comment below how you like this kind of sound performance. Of course, you can take it off the bass because it's a little bassy. No matter what music you're listening, like you feel like a boomy sound. It's made like bassy speaker, right? But these guys, no matter what kind of bass you're gonna put it, it's hard to listen the bass, right? But this guy is like compressing the bass.
All of the snow in this winterland used to look so pretty, now making me moody. In the deep woods alone with my fields, spend too much time thinking in the end you'll be with me. Maybe I'm just getting it now. Damn, I took a little time out.
Yeah, the bass is nice.
You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body. Yeah.
So actually, when you take it off the music and the lower volume, it's gonna be nice and a clean sound. You can ask, what is the yellow sticker right here? The yellow sticker, it says this part has to be clean, closed all the time. The reason why they say that, because this is the waterproof, right? So when you open, you have a charging port, auxiliary input, USB out to charge your the phone. So this is just the USB out, and this part is it's good, rubber made, and around this place you see the double rubber. So it goes inside, and then make sure you close right, and it's gonna be waterproof. So the next video I'm gonna take to the pool, and we'll see how it will be swim. Like, it swims better than me or slower than me. We're gonna throw it to the water, and we'll see. All those are small speakers. It's not gonna be enough. There is no good speakers on the market. Like, so you spend $150, and the sound quality, it's okay because there is no other speakers, right? So this guy is definitely, it's gonna make you happy, and the enough bass. The design wise also is good. From this company, the smaller speakers, like, smaller design wise, sound quality not even close for these guys. These guys are really good sounding speakers, and if you want, I can put the links on description also. And I'm gonna make some. This video is gonna be too long, so I'm gonna make some different video to compare the sound quality. $150 versus $150. So you're gonna see who will win by the sound outputs. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. Comment below what speaker you guys using and what speaker you want to see on my channel. This is unbiased, but I hate the advertising, that's why I'm creating some video, guys. And as you can see from my other videos, a lot of guys is happy when I suggest some products. I test myself, and I'm gonna think like you, right? Buying it. For example, I'm listening to somebody's, and when you're buying the product and you don't like it, you will feel it's advertising based bullshit, right? Alright, guys, thank you very much. Watch my other videos here, and I'm gonna run a different experiment.